The sun and Alpha Centauri A and B, or we all orbit the galactic center. Okay? But A and B in relation to each other are moving like this. So what are they orbiting around? Each other? What are they orbiting around? A center of what?
Gravity.
A center of gravity between them. Okay? So if you take their masses, they're pretty close in mass relatively. So pretty close to the center between them, you would find the center of mass. They're orbiting not each other, they're orbiting a common center of gravity. Does that make sense? And then Proxima Centauri, I believe, orbits the twins. Like those two are like a binary, and then the third goes around, I think. You might have to look that one up. Well, let me ask you this then. With that in mind, does the Earth orbit the sun, or does the sun orbit the Earth?
The Earth
The Earth orbits the sun. Or does the Earth, or do the Earth and the sun orbit a common center of gravity or center of mass? That is more accurate. However, because that center of gravity or mass is inside of the sun, we can say in common language, the Earth orbits the sun. Does that make sense? Even though the exact center of mass between them is actually not directly pinpoint accurate at the core of the sun. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? Same principle. The Earth and the moon. Does the Earth orbit the moon, or does the moon orbit the Earth?
The moon.
Moon orbits the Earth, of course. More specifically, it orbits their shared center of mass is what they both orbit. But because that center of mass is inside the Earth, we can say in common language that the moon orbits the Earth. Okay, follow my train of thought here. Pluto and Pluto's moon Charon, or Charon, however you pronounce it. Yeah, Pluto's got more than one moon, but the main one, Charon, Charon, I think. They orbit each other? No, they orbit a common center of mass or gravity. Where is it? Is it inside of Pluto?
No.
No. They're actually close enough in mass that the center of mass is not inside of Pluto. It's like a third of the way from Pluto to Charon. So they don't, one doesn't orbit the other. They orbit a common center of mass. So it would be inaccurate to say that the moon of Pluto, Charon, orbits Pluto. It doesn't. It orbits a common center